so for this part of the video, we'll be doing this, and this part. So first we will be doing this part. So remember, this is the start of your crochet top. This is your chain stitch. This is the top. This is the v-neck. You will be attaching another yarn from this part. So by now, I hope you already know how to attach, or you have your own way to attach. Combine this one. Okay. Then we will be proceeding to this one. So to do this one, insert your hook to the middle stitch, yarn over and pull through that loop. Now you already have like the starting loop. Okay, so what you'll be doing is yarn over or create 2 chains, 1, 2, and add another chain. So in total you have 3 chain. Okay, do a double crochet on the next stitch over here, any stitch that you will feel like doing using, then chain 1. Now it's easy to see over here na you have this stitch, the stitch beside your double crochet, and the next stitch on that one. What you'll be doing is leave this stitch and do the double crochet on the next stitch. To create a double crochet, you'll be doing is yarn over, pull through the stitch, insert your hook, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through that loop. Then chain 1 again and do the same pattern, skipping the next stitch, double crochet on the second stitch, like that. Yeah. Okay, chain 1, skip, double crochet over here. So if you can see the design, to have this one, chain 1, skip that one, do the stitch, skip, chain 1, skip, do a double crochet. So continue till you've reached all over here. Okay, so we're almost at the end. See this one? This is your chain 3 stitch. Okay, and you have a big space over here. You can still do double crochet over here, but since it will be cluttered in this area, I've decided not to do any double crochet. It's up to you. You can improvise depending on the number of chain stitch you have created from the very start. It doesn't matter as long as it fits you. So chain 1 and through that stitch, or through in between these 2 stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through that one, then go straight and pull through your loop. Now you have already attached them. Okay, then we will proceed na on this part. So it's just a normal single crochet, around 2, 3, or 4 layers of single crochet. So since it's an example, I think I'll be doing just 2. So here, just do a normal single crochet on the chain 1 stitch and also to the double crochet. So single crochet on the chain 1 stitch and single crochet on the here double crochet stitch. So continue till you have, or till you've reached also again the start. Okay, so we're almost here at the end. So I have already did a double crochet, a single crochet on the chain 1 stitch, and this is where we've united. But since this is a big space, I'm gonna add an additional single crochet. But if it's not a big space, it's fine if you don't have to add. Okay, so it will not just shrink like that. So this is your first single crochet here, Hope you can see. Be showing up on the top part. This is your first single crochet. This is where you've attached this row. Okay, so you will also be attaching it over here. Insert your hook through that one, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through the last loop under that single crochet. Okay, so I think we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay, so I'll be doing just one additional row for this one. Okay, so for you, you have to do at least 3, 4, or 5 rows of this one. So after this, we will now be proceeding with this pattern. Okay, for example, you're done with this part, just like this. So cute. Just the v-necks, not doing it. We'll now be proceeding with this part. It's just easy. First is, whoopsie, where are you? Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 3 stitches. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Do a single crochet on the third stitch. Okay, you have 1 loop. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3. Count 3 stitches after that single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Do the single crochet on that part. Hope it's not that dark. Really like that. Okay, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. Ha! Okay, then do the same on this part, in this area. So meaning count 4. No, I think I have done the 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet on this loop. Yeah, first loop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will be single crocheting on the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, continue till you've reached the end, and I think I have made 1, 2, 3 rows of the loop. So you have done doing the single crochet on this area. The last part, this is your second row. Just knot 4, 1, 2, chain 2, attach it over on that one. Do not the single crochet on that one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then single crochet on the next loop. Okay, understand? So I'll be detaching it because I'll be showing you how to retouch this one. Okay, this single crochet one over here. So remember, you've skipped 2 stitches in between, so you have 2 spaces of single crochet over here that is left untouched. What you'll be doing is, for every loop, of course, you need to do 2 single crochet. So this is 1, 2, then on the loop, do the single crochet. Next, here it will fill up the 2 spaces over here, so you need to have 2 single crochet for each loop, then another single crochet on the here on your first single crochet. So single crochet 2 here, 1, 2, and here another single crochet. Then you're back on track. Do this method till you've reached also again your desired length. Afterwards, we will be dealing with the straps. Okay, so I'll just be telling you how we did this strap pattern because it's almost the same as to this bottom pattern. So create a chain stitch enough to be on your shoulder or on your arm. Okay, then do single crochet all the way back, then do the double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, do a double crochet on the next stitch. So this pattern and this part is just the same. Okay, afterwards create 2 or 3, 1 or 2 single crochet afterwards, then do the loop, and with the loop 2 sets of loop. Understand? So the pattern for this one is also the same as for this one. You're just not going to do the single crochet at the bottom, so it will give you the truffle slip. So how did I attach it? I'll be linking how did Dana Beat attached her up shoulder strap. Then you can do the same because that's the way I've done that one.